Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create frame shape from video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have imported my video and I'm going to create frame shape from this video. First of all, you need to go to the stock material on CapCut and you have to search white background, or actually you can select the color that you like, but here I'm just going to use this white background and I'm going to add it to my timeline and I'm going to extend it. Okay, and I'm going to put mask on this white background. I'm going to go to the mask and then I'm going to select the circle mask. You can choose the shape that you like, but I'm gonna go with circle, and then we can click on right click on the clip, the white background, and click on create compound clip. Okay, and then you can put mask again. Go to this circle mask and I'm going to reverse it. Okay, and as you can see that the frame has been created, and you can adjust the size of the circle like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my video and I'm going to apply mask as well. We can click on the circle and here you can adjust the size. Alright, once you're done, you can group your clip. You can select your clip and right click on it, click on group. Okay, and as you can see that the frame shape has been created and you will be able to use it for your editing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create frame shape from video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.